even working with the touchdown is things like if I'm working with Macacao. From here, change myself into a 1990 and work with this patterns here, or again into the fisherman and work through the fisherman. Get the music, get the bounce, and then start again. Feel the weight shift back, out, or like if I want to do like movements like coming and reaching in and going back. If I were to pause in my chapeau, I can see this long kind of line, this opening. 1, 2, 3, und dann 3, 2, 1. Und ich mache so wie ein halber Kreis. Low, grounded roll. So scalability includes focus on those general principles. Keep drilling the cartwheel and it'll get better. Yeah, it will, but it's going to be significantly better if there's also an understanding of what's included innately in that ground acro form. Like a referent configuration, which is going to be universal through the roles.
Finding the verticality, stretching up, elongating my structure.
And when I do the full roll,
I find the drop knee,
and this can only go one place. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, again, just work by yourself first of all, and then we'll go together, and then we'll do like a few lengths together. Let's go.